Morning YouTube, over here on the job I was talking about the other day. I'll show you the trees before I get started. This one here, we're cutting about 4 foot above that green line. And then taking out that bigger poplar right there. This little guy here. This one here. Let's see. This double here. That skinny one there. So this 7 right here. Try not to tear up that little cherry right there. So I probably won't video all of it, but I'll set the video up and at least I guess get video of this one here. This one should go pretty quick, but we're just gonna work our way out. This one, next one, blah blah blah, and so on. So here we go. All right, everyone. So the first tree, I thought I had the camera playing. Don't know what happened, but it stopped playing, and so I didn't get that one. And then the next two, I had it rolling for those, and I thought they were saving. I don't know what was going on. Maybe my memory was just too full, but anyways, so I did get some. This is what I got. We got a few logs loaded up. I got a few of the trees done already. I guess I'll start bringing you guys along. I did 2.5, or I don't know, 3. That one was a double stalker. But I'll start recording some more now. Alright, this is the mess I got going. I dropped that stock. There was a couple bad decay spots in it. And then, see where that blue line is? We're going to leave that as a pole for a gymnastic thing, play toys, and just blow that top this way. Slam it right there. That log had a couple nasty decays in it, but it should make a couple good saw logs. Oh. I like that tractor. Jay in his natural habitat over there. Resting his arm on something, taking a break. Anyways, while the camera was off, I went up, hung a rope up in that top. We're gonna cut it off just above that blue. I want to get that stalk knocked down and out of the way before we slam the top on it. Nice day. It's probably about 60 degrees now. Started out this morning with real heavy frost, and I had 3 long sleeve shirts on. Now I'm ready to get rid of my long sleeve shirt. Alright guys, sorry. It sucks not having a cameraman. I guess I didn't have the video going. I even propped it up and had it set and good. Alright everyone, we'll call it into this one. Got all the trees done. Gonna whack this up a little bit for them and call it a day. Thanks for watching.